Do it this way, and never spend money on a drink again. The best way to cut glass bottles. This technique is one of the simplest I've ever used for cutting glass bottles. You'll need a few bottles that you usually end up throwing away. You will also need elastics. These elastics don't cost more than anything in the nearest stationery store. Put an elastic on the bottle like I do from here. This technique is very simple, and you will love making mugs at home. Anyone can, and you can also earn extra income by selling these mugs. Okay, let's secure the rubber band really well. Over here and here, try to make the elastic as straight as possible. Do not let the elastic roll up. Do you know glass cutting techniques? I would like to know. Now let's take another rubber band and do the same thing as the previous one. Arrange yourself like I do here. Try to make it straight so that it doesn't curl. Having already put on the elastic, let's move on to the next step. Now you will need an alcohol gel. Take the alcohol gel and pass it through the gap between the rubber bands, like this. Here, you will never want to cut the bottles any other way. And I will no longer spend money on glasses. You can make and sell mugs without spending anything to make them. It's a fantastic idea. After finishing passing the alcohol, let's finish by spreading it with our own fingers. Like this. Try to leave the alcohol gel between the two elastics. Now, with the help of a lighter, light this way, and now, be very careful because it's already on fire. But it is transparent. Twist the bottle like I do. And now you will have your homemade mug. Just a few more seconds, and it will be ready. Look how it's on fire. Be very careful when doing this at home. Do this in a safe place. And that's it, guys. It takes less than a few minutes to prepare our glass mug. Look how wonderful it is. You can make and even sell it if you want, because it's very simple and costs nothing to make. To finish, use sandpaper and a little water. Make the glass very round, and you can use your creativity to create different cups of different designs, mugs, and much more. I hope you enjoyed the tip. Stay with God until the next video.